Alrighty, well, welcome to the Dishwasher Vampire Smile. This game is very fun. Also, it's been a fucking long time since I've recorded, so I'm very awkward at this. But yeah, just gonna preface this. Seizure warning. This game has flashing lights, explosions, and lots of blood, and lots of particle effects. So, viewer discretion is advised. Other than that, fuck you if you have epilepsy. Yeah, let's start this shit. Start off on easy, because this game is fucking... Alright, so there's two characters, Dishwasher and the Prisoner. I'll just do the Prisoner, I guess. I don't fucking... I've already beaten the game, so, like... Yeah. I've beaten the game a lot. Wait, why am I... Yeah, I can teleport. Isn't that exciting? Yeah, but this game's running at a cool 33 frames a second. Oh, fuck. Hey there. Yep. Lots of particle effects. And I think that's my sister. I don't know. I don't know what the stories in this game is very confusing. And oh, I have my arm. That's interesting. Yeah, there's space jail, fucking, yeah. Alrighty, well, let's, oh god. Go to bed. Then, oh yeah, now I'm in a hospital. Why? I have no idea. Hide there. Hey, a wheelchair. I'm in a wheelchair! Yeah, this game is really fucking weird. Also, if I stop playing randomly, it's because I have to deal with my dogs. Oh yeah, and now the game begins. So, right now I only can claw people's eyes out. I don't have to... I can roll. I can double jump. Let's go. Alright, where... Yeah, I kind of murdered everybody. A little bit. Yeah, like that! Rip that guy's arm off. Hey, you, come here. Ow, you bitch! You motherfucker! Die! Yeah, so that happens. You just kind of murder things. Okay. Let me kill you! So, you can see why seizure warning. I think I just ripped that dude's throat open. Isn't that exciting? I just ripped that dude in half. Isn't that exciting? Yep. I ripped that dude's neck off. Oh, they're both dead already. I ripped that guy's arm off. Also, if anybody has played the Ninja Gaiden, like any of the Ninja Gaiden series, there's actually an Easter egg. There's a move that you can do in this game called the Izuna Drop, which basically you jump up in the air, you lift the enemy up in air, and then you kind of just like suplex them while spinning, and then they explode. Yeah, so welcome. We're going to the moon. Oh, motherfucker. And now I'm back in the hospital. Because I'm a dangerous sociopath with a history of violence. But yeah, this is the game. This is the game mode. Just keep phasing in and out of reality. Now I have Blood Dash, where basically I can teleport. I can teleport! And rip that guy's head off. Fucking ninjas. Rip that guy in half. Yeah, the flying combos in this game are insane. Like, actually. But you can see why seizure warning. Definitely seizure warning in this game. Rip that guy's head off. Rip that guy in half. And slam him. And slam him again. And rip him in half. So this is what happens when you give a vampire like demon powers. I have no idea what is actually happening. I don't know the plot of this game. What's over here? Is I already here? Yeah, okay, I was already here. Cool. Well, time to fly. Also, the best part about this game... Ooh, I love these guys! Because I can just do this. I can just fly around and then just slam dunk. Come here! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Yeah. And they're all dead. Isn't that what's in here? Command. Yeah, there's usually a treasure chest in here. Let's see if I remember. Yep, alrighty. So I don't have any weapons, but I have a whole bunch of beads for some reason. But yeah, I have no key items either. I think I have like half the beads in this game. Come here! Fuck you! Also, you're wondering, how am I just doing that how am I just flying around? Honestly, if you just hold the right, I'm playing on a controller because I'm lame. But basically, you just hold the right stick, and then you just hold a direction, and you fly. A fucking superhero. Except you rip people in half. Oh, the Gowler! Yeah, this is a boss. Motherfucking asshole bitch. Yeah, I don't have a Y attack yet. Stop blocking, you son of a bitch! Fuck you! Yeah, I just punched him in the face. I think this game is just capped at 30 frames. He's not dead yet! What the hell? Die! Fuck you! Now I get his sword. Which, if you're a dangerous sociopath like me, swords aren't your friend. You can do that. You you can just kind of throw people into the air and then just like, chop them in half, like that. Wait, I got my gun. I have a gun now? When did I get my gun? No, what? That's weird. Still, these robots are fun to deal with. I enjoy dealing with those robots. Cool. The floating hearts heal me. You heal whenever you kill enemies, so it's like I very much enjoy the art style of this game. It's really fucking cool. But it's also like one of those oh yeah, now okay, yeah. I realize now why I can't actually I have bullets in the corner, but I can't use them because I still have both my arms. Spoiler alert, you lose your arm in this game. But it gets replaced with something that's really cool. Alright, the Warden! Yeah. He has a sword in his hand, which is cool. But he's also kind of an asshole. And he's just gonna do that. Like, bitch! Stab it! And you grab him, and then you headbutt him, and then he grabs you, and then he headbutts you. And then he just kind of spams the same attacks, because he's a bitch. Then you stab him and headbutt, and then he grabs you and punches you in the face for a little bit, and then you dodge, and then he stays there for an extended period of time, and then you stab him and headbutt him, then he dies, and then you chop him in half. Or so you think. Then he cuts off your arm, which is upsetting. Then you just kind of like, just go here. Then you go back in the wheelchair, I think. Or in fact, you're insane. Yeah, you stole an escape pod, and now you're driving. Then you pass out. Yeah. And yeah. Hey, look at that! I beat the level. 9, almost 10 minutes, and I took 141 damage. That's let's stick with Prisoner. Because Prisoner's fun. Now she has a chainsaw for an arm. There's a cat. Hi, kitty. Meow. I have a chainsaw. And a minigun. But I'm not supposed to have the minigun yet. Also, I have all the weapons unlocked, so like and the cat can fly because it's actually a demon. Vampire's Mile. Let's see, how many of those? I'll upgrade my chainsaw arm. Cool. Yeah, you have a whole bunch of upgrades, but let's see, how do I switch? Yeah. Pay no mind to these weapons that I have currently. Alright, cool. I totally have I only have chainsaws and only have a sword. Totally. Also, yeah, I'm just fuck these guys. I'm just gonna shoot him with a minigun. Yeah, let me see if I can get a finisher here with the chainsaw. The chainsaw finishers are really cool. Yep, you just kind of rip their chest open with a chainsaw, which I'm no expert, but I think that's relatively hard to do. And yeah. See, I also have magic for some reason. No. Oh, yes, there is. Alright, cool. Gonna play rock guitar. Did I mention seizure warning? This hurts my eyes to watch. This hurts my eyes more than an actual concert, which is fucking insane. But anyways, the music in this game is amazing. Also, just like, it's super fun to play, and it's actually like free. It's like $10 on Steam. Seizure warning. Yeah, and that happens. Then you do that. Perfect. And what do you get for doing that? Get a present. I've already gotten... Oh, crossbeat. I didn't have that one yet. What the fuck? Also, those little particle things that I picked up, those are the currency of the game. Cool. Huh, this doesn't look like an ambush at all. Put that guy in half. Yeah, you can kind of just spam this. It's actually really easy just to spam the grab in this game because it's not the most powerful, but you get iframed and you kill things. And then you just kind of rip them in half. And then you explode that, and then you get the Cloud Sword, which I already have, which is here. It can electric things. It's very cool. Now, there's actually, the zombies in here are just zombies. Ow, scab. Ow, scab. Yeah. Yeah. They kind of just explode. Like, they don't really do anything else. They can grab you, and it's whatever, but, like, honestly, it's more of a, they're more of a nuisance than anything. Granted, I am playing on easy, but also, this game is just like, I'm just kind of relaxing before I have to go to work. This isn't me playing hardcore video games. I could totally play hardcore video games. Actually, if you're part of the Discord, let me know if you want me to play like Dark Souls or anything that's actually different. Because I'm totally up to doing that. It's just I have like no problem. I forgot what I was gonna say. Fucking, like, I have no problem just, like, playing whatever, because I have, like, over almost 200 games in Steam, so if there's anything that that you guys want me to play, I will gladly play it. Like, within reason, of course. I'm not gonna play, like, smut. Because I'm an upstanding citizen. Ooh, I got bread. Moon bread. That just fucking heals you. Yeah, and then here's the amp that I totally made the fucking... I just made the violin explode. Because, you know, heavy metal violin. Alright, so here's the only use of Cloud Sword. And then it explodes. And then you're good. No. So I have scythes. Scythes? Alright. Gore face! Pile of rotten flesh! Yeah, this is a boss. Yeah, and then you just kind of chainsaw it, and then it's like... Again, seizure warning in this game. Did I mention seizure warning? Because there is a lot of flashing lights and a lot of gore. Well, the most notable thing about this game is its gore. Because there is a fuck ton of it. Because all the enemies explode whenever you kill them. Like, real shit. Yep, and then you kind of just chainsaw it in half, like you normally do. And then you electrocute it, and then the screen gets covered in blood. Isn't that exciting? Well, I think I'm gonna end the recording here, because that was the first 2 levels, and yeah. So, fucking like, subscribe, get your grandma to subscribe, fucking enjoy the content, fuck yourselves.